In this video, I'll show you how to upload videos on Canva. This would be a basic step-by-step tutorial. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. And at first, you need to be logged into your Canva account, right? So I already created a Canva account. So this is my Canva account, and I'm going to show you how you can upload a video here on Canva. This video is basically an educational video. So the first thing you need to do, you need to click on this bar, right? This open menu. Once it has opened, you'll see it'll be displayed with some options right here. Yeah, so I think, okay, this file. So you click on this file, right? Once I click on this file, you would see this upload files. Click on upload files. From there, you can upload a file you want. So the file can be either a picture or a video, anything you want, right? So I'll click on these videos. There's a whole lot of video right here. So I'm going to scroll down. I want to upload this video particularly. I'll click on it, click on open. So you see this video upload automatically here on Canva. You can see this. So I'll click on this video. So this video is uploading right here. You can see it. So you wait for a few seconds. So this video has been uploaded to my Canva account, and I can move this to a folder if I want. So so you can come on here. I think, yeah, you can paste it here. So you can see it, right? It's not hard, it's pretty easy. So this is basically how you can upload video here on Canva, right? This is basically a step-by-step tutorial. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. And if you got any questions you want to ask me, sure you do that as well. It's pretty easy. Just click on this upload, right? Click on this upload file. Then you can select either pictures or video. I'll see you guys in the very next one.